Bee is a special dog with a unique appearance. She has a hole in her mouth. She was born with a cleft palate, a condition that affects about 25% of dogs. Many people believe that dogs with cleft palates should be euthanized or abandoned. Unlike them, Bee's parents fell in love with her from the very beginning. They decided to bring her home and give her the best life possible. They taught her many tricks, and she's amazing at them. Bee loves to go on adventures with her parents, so they take her everywhere they go. Mom and Dad love to shower her with affection, giving her lots of kisses and cuddles. They see her as the most beautiful dog in the world. Despite her unique appearance, it truly helps her feel more confident. Every dog deserves a chance at a happy life. Don't abandon them because they don't look perfect. Hope you enjoyed Bee's story. See you in the next story.